Hey guys, so I wanted to come on and talk to you about some products that I've been loving using at the moment. They were sent to me from two different companies. The first one is Revlon, and Revlon have been releasing some really lovely new lip products. So I have these three here. I'll start with the one I'm wearing. They are their new Kiss Cloud Blotted lip colours. They are so nice. They're like a whipped consistency and they're matte. And they're the tiniest, cutest little bottles, but they have so much product in them. They just look like this. And this is the one I've got on today. They don't... The thing that I love about these, oh my God, is that they don't, like, dry. That sounds like a bad thing, but you know when you get matte lip colours and they just sort of, like, start to crack after a couple of hours? These don't do that. Look at that. Oh, they're so easy to blend. The next one, oh, I didn't tell you what that one was, did I? I didn't tell you what colour I'm wearing. It's Rosy Cotton Candy I'm wearing. Oh, they're so lovely. The next one is Whipped Hazelnut. I love this one. This is lovely if you're kind of doing like a darker eye. That's that one. I love these. I'm not quite sure how many shades they do, but I'll put the information down below. And as I said, Revlon's lip products recently are just stunning. And this one is Cherries on a Cloud, which I think everyone should own. This one is stunning. If you're looking for a matte red lip, but it's still got like a nice comfortable wear texture, this is the one for you. As I said, that's Cherries on a Cloud, this one. They're so beautiful to wear. Just, they're very like balmy. They're very balmy to wear. These are out now. As I said, these are the three that I was sent. So thank you very much, Revlon. These are out now. I think they do, I don't know, 7 or 8 shades maybe. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, they're available, Superdrug, Boots, places like that. I love them. They're my new favourite thing. I think I'm going to go and buy a couple more to add to my collection because I think they're absolutely stunning. I love them. The stretch, the wear. They wear really well. That's the thing I was concerned about because they don't ever really seem to set, as I said. I was worried that they might transfer on things, but they don't transfer. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they do this whipped matte yet kind of balmy consistency that doesn't transfer, but they do, and they do it very well. So I love those. And then on to some brow products that I was sent by a new brow company. And I'll link them down below. They're called My Julienne. And their products are so pretty. So I have, seriously guys, I have tried so many brow products. Expensive ones, cheap ones, mid-range ones. You name it, I've tried it. I'm going to tell you something. These babies are the favourites that I've tried. I have a couple that I would go back to, but these, oh my goodness. So first of all, I have the Brow Pomade in dark brown. This I have on my eyebrows today. I tell you what I love about these. They don't budge. You can touch your eyebrows, okay? Like nothing. Absolutely zip. They're waterproof, smudge proof. They're amazing. They don't come off until you take them off with makeup remover. So the brow pomade I have, which I don't ever think I've actually used a brow pomade. So it's odd that I've fallen in love with this, but this one is the one that I've been using pretty much all the time. And as you can see, it's very dark. But that's what I like, because I think it's just, if it's too light, then I don't know, I think it looks funny on me. Ignore my freaking hair, okay? I got caught in the rain. This is what happens, okay? It's a whole situation. But the thing that I'm doing with my hair is I'm dyeing it black. Yeah, I'm going back to black. That's what I'm doing because I can't stand all this. It's still this light root regrowth. Oh, I can't stand it. So that will come in handy when I try to match my brows to black, because usually I have an issue doing that. So that's the brow pomade. Then I have the retractable brow pencil. These are all in dark brown. I love a nice retractable brow pencil. I've tried it a lot. This I love because the tip of it, you can see, is really, really, really kind of chunky. And once again, this does not budge, but you can build it up. I will put the price of all these down below. I'm not quite sure off the top of my head. And then this baby, I'd never used this either. I've always been just like a retractable pencil kind of girl, so I don't know where I've been. So this is the Julienne Brow Cushion, and this has 2 different shades. It comes in a compact like this. Strangely enough though, it's supposed to have a couple of brushes in it, but mine didn't, even though it was sealed, so that's disappointing. But just imagine there are some brushes here. And then you flip this open, and you have your brow pomade, so you have like a lighter brown and a dark brown. Oh, I love the consistency of this product. As I said, don't think I've ever used a brow cushion. But anyway, yeah, I will link them down below. They're a new company, Julienne UK on Instagram. I'll link their Instagram too. Yeah, I think their products, I think I'm right in saying, are made in South Africa. Yes, they are. They're made in South Africa, which is unusual, but I love them. I honestly, guys, if you are totally stuck in a rut with your brow products, you want something to try something new, go onto their website because you will not be disappointed. Their brow products are amazing, and I'm a very good judge of a good brow product. I'm also a very good judge of a bad brow product. But Julienne do not make a bad brow product. They make lovely brow products. So those are the, oh, look at that. It's like a race. I'm not meaning to do it on purpose. I don't know why. Why am I talking this quickly? Anyway, so those products, Revlon and Julienne, oh my God, I love them. I absolutely love them. As I said, I'll link them all down below. And yeah, just a quick video, guys, just to kind of touch base with you. I'll do a longer video very, very soon. So I hope you're doing well. Come and say hi on Instagram for Wildcat Makeup. I'm always there. I'm obsessed. I'm always there. And yeah, let me know how you're doing. Come follow, give me a follow. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.